After 13 weeks of testimony, Sunny Balwani walked into court and heard closing arguments made to the jury that will decide his fate. Back in January, Balwani's former partner, Theranos CEO Elizabeth Holmes, was found guilty on 4 counts of investor fraud. The prosecution in the second Theranos case is trying to convince the jury the pair committed fraud together.
What they've done, really, the most important thing, is show that conspiratorial link between Elizabeth Holmes and Sunny Balwani.
While Balwani's defense tries to convince the jury that Balwani was merely an investor in the blood testing company, not a decision maker, prosecutors brought up testimony from former Theranos employees, investors, and Walgreens employees, all of whom testified they were led to believe Theranos was a company using successful medical devices when they were not.
And as we learned today during closing, he was primarily the person in the company responsible for setting a culture where dissent against Theranos, against Elizabeth Holmes, and against himself was not tolerated.
And like in the Holmes trial, text messages played a role today. At one point, the prosecution put a slide up on the courtroom monitors with a text message from Balwani to Holmes that read, "I am responsible for everything at Theranos." We'll hear more from the defense team on Wednesday. In San Jose, Scott Budman, NBC, Bay Area News.